Hello everyone, I'm Jeline Manalastas from BSIT 2A. For today's video, we will be discussing the application that I created, which is the hotel booking system. The hotel booking system is a Python application built using Tkinter library, designed to streamline hotel reservations through intuitive graphical user interface or GUI. This system enables users to manage bookings efficiently by allowing them to input guest details, select room types, specify check-in dates, and automatically calculate prices based on room types. Hi guys, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain the code. In this section, imports the necessary libraries for the program. The Tkinter module is used for creating the graphical user interface or GUI, and the message box module is specifically for creating dialog boxes such as error message or confirmations to interact with the user. This code initializes the hotel booking app class, which manage the entire hotel booking system. The constructor in it sets up the main application window, which is the root with the title, dimensions, and a background color. The root parameter refers to the main Tkinter window that acts as the base for all the GUI components. This dictionary defines the available room types along with their respective prices. It serves as the data source for the room type selection drop-down menu and allows the program to calculate the price dynamically based on the user's selection. These variables track the state of application. Self.bookings is a dictionary that stores all bookings with bookings ID as keys. Self.current booking ID starts at 0 and is incremented for each new booking to assign as a unique ID. Selected room type and selected price store the user's current selection from the drop-down menu and its corresponding price. In this code, this calls the createWidgets method to construct the graphical user interface or GUI elements for the application such as labels, buttons, and input fields. The createWidgets method begins by creating a title label for the application. The label displays the text hotel booking system in a bold font with a light gray background and dark text. The pack method is used to position it at the top of the window with 10 pixels of vertical padding for spacing. Here, a frame widget is created as a container to group the input fields. This allows for better organization and layout of the input components like text entry fields, labels, and drop-down menus. These lines create a label and an entry field for the guest names. The label is placed in the first row and first column of the input frame. Read layout, while the entry field is positioned in the same row but in the second column. Padding, pad x is equals to 10, adds space between the elements. These blocks create a drop-down menu for selecting a room type. The string var variable tracks the user's selection. The menu displays room types from the self.roomTypes dictionary keys. When a selection is made, the update price method is triggered to update the display price. This method updates the displayed price when the user selects a different room type. It retrieves the price corresponding to the selected room type from the select.roomTypes dictionary and updates the label displaying the price. This method collects the user input from the entry fields and drop-down menu. It retrieves the guest name, selected room type, check-in date, and the current price from their respective widgets. In this code, if all required fields are filled, the booking is added to the self.bookings dictionary with a unique ID. Self.current booking ID as the key. The booking details are stored as a dictionary containing the guest name, room type, check-in date, and price. After creating the booking list is refreshed, the input fields are cleared, and receipt is displayed using show receipt method. The update booking method is triggered when the user wants to update on existing booking. It first checks if the user has selected the booking from the list. If a booking is selected, the booking ID is fetched from the list and the current guest details are retrieved from the input fields. If all fields are filled incorrectly, the booking details in the self-booking dictionary are updated with the new information. The booking list is refreshed, the input fields are cleared, and the booking selection is selected. Finally, a receipt for the updated booking is shown using show receipt method. The delete booking method handles the deletion of selected booking. If a booking is selected in the list, a confirmation dialog is shown asking the user if they are sure about deleting the booking. If confirmed, the booking is removed from the sub.bookings dictionary and the booking list is updated. If no booking is selected, an error message prompts the user to select one first. The view receipt method allows the user to view the detail of selected booking. If a booking is selected, its details are retrieved from the self-bookings dictionary, and the show receipt method displays the receipt. In this code, this method is triggered when a booking is selected from the list box. It fills the input fields with the selected booking details so that they can be edited. And the last is the route .main loop. It is this section initializes the Tkinter window or the route and starts the hotel booking app. The application remains open until the user closes it. In the last line, these lines initialize the main application window route, create an instance of the hotel booking app class to manage the window content or the app, and then enter the Tkinter event loop, route.main loop, allowing the application to run and interact with the user. In the output of my application, you can just add records because it has 4 buttons. It creates, update, delete, and view. And if you want to create records, you will just fill up the input fields there, the guest name. You will choose what room types, check-in dates, and the price will just appear there. And if you want to update that records, you will just click the record and change what you want, and it will update and it will show a receipt there. And if you want to view the records, you will just click and it will show a receipt. And if you want to delete, there is a consent if you want to delete that records, and if you agree, it will be deleted. And that's how my application works. That's all. Thank you for listening.